Okay, guys, we're going to go to Ask Scruff, and this is a question for Bevsky. So a little salute to you, Mikey. Let's flick it over and we'll have a little look. So, yes, I will do an only fans for you if you want to see the goods. But we'll go into Ask Scruff and we'll find Bevsky's question. Hi, Scruff. Not been in the Rogue Squad long. Well, you're very welcome. There's lots to go through. Well over 4,000 videos for you to work your way through. And you're looking at swing trading using the river on a daily. Well, that's where I recommend. Once you start coming away from the daily, it falls into whipsaw. And personally, below a 4 hour, I certainly don't recommend it. I just wanted to ask how I get started. I watched some of your vids on growing small accounts and using fivers. I've also looked at the fivers and the boot camp that they offer. And it seems a good place to start. Any advice? Okay. So, if you're swing trading, by definition, you're going to have bigger stops. So you need some kind of an account size to take them on. Now, one of the things with swing trading is you size down rather than size up. Okay, why? The win rates are not as high, and also, as just stated, your stops can be slightly wider than normal. So you've got to be able to absorb that. So you do it through either a big account or size down. Now, if you haven't got much funds, the 5% is the only prop fund that I recommend, the only one. Now, inside of that, again, if you're looking at the smaller challenges where sort of the high stakes, the hyper growth, you might only have a finite drawdown to work with, a couple £100, depending on how big a fund you've bought. But the boot camp, now that's a different kettle of fish. The boot camp itself, it's very low cost to get into it. And yes, you have 3 challenges to achieve, or 3 milestones rather. But the difference is it gives you very good buying power off the gate. So you can size down and then just trade gently with it. It'll teach you how to trade properly because you've got a bit of skin in the game, but it's allowing the trades to breathe. When you have a very small account, building up a small account, you need to be in and out the markets relatively quick. You can still do it with a daily, but then do it like what's called a hybrid. And in that sense, what you're doing is you're using a swing trade as your entry criteria. But then what you would do is you would take partial profits as it moves into levels, just similar to what you would with a day trade, rather than letting it run constantly. And that's a good way to build up the small account in the meantime, but using a swing trade as an entry criteria. And then when it looks at products, well, instead of looking at a singular asset, like say pound USD, you look at a range of products and normally a type. So you would say, well, I'm going to look at all of the FS markets. So you'd have like 28 pairs on a screen and you would look at them. And then you would maybe say, I'm going to look at the indices as a basket. So you would look at those instruments and you'd have all the indices on. Or you might want commodities. You just have a multitude. And that way you can look at multiple products because it's all pretty much mechanical. And then you mark them up as and when they come into play, and then take profit from each level to build up your small account. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.